Okay, this was a fun one. We had a 1.25 inch cold galvanized line blow a massive hole in the side of it. It was overtime. I was able to get a clamp on it, luckily, and get that water stopped overnight. So we came back the next day, we did a shutdown, and we're gonna cut out a section of that galvanized. We're using 1.25 inch Viga Megapress 316 stainless steel adapters to get on that galvanized. This is really a temporary repair because we have money and quotes put in to replace the riser. So this should get us by until that can get approved and we can move on with that. But in a bind, it works great. So I'm just prepping it up, always marking my fittings, doing the proper procedures, cleaning them, sanding them, file, mark your insertion depth, check it. And now we're just going to press it up with our rigid Pro Press. That's a slip coupling because I was stuck in between two fixed points from above. And we're just going to press that up. And that's the bottom side. And then you'll see it go up through into the unit above. And I didn't get much of that on video just because, two places at once, it was hard. And that's the repair there. And water's back on. And we're good to go till we can get this done properly. Thanks.